Today's video will discuss the 5 most efficient and time-saving kitchen gadgets. Salter 3-in-1 Waffle, Toasty and Panini Maker. This versatile kitchen appliance is perfect for anyone who loves waffles, toasties, or paninis. With its non-stick plates, it's easy to clean and maintain, and the adjustable temperature control allows you to cook your food to perfection. The Salter 3-in-1 Waffle, Toasty and Panini Maker is perfect for busy mornings when you want a quick breakfast, or for lazy weekend brunch. You can make delicious waffles, crispy toasties, and warm paninis all in one convenient device. The non-stick plates make it easy to release your food, and the compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. So if you're in the market for a new kitchen appliance that can make breakfast, lunch, and dinner, then look no further than the Salter 3-in-1 Waffle, Toasty and Panini Maker. Taunu T1S Smart Bin. This innovative trash can is the perfect solution for keeping your home clean and tidy, without the hassle of constantly having to change the garbage bags. The Taunu T1S features a unique automatic sealing and dispensing system that allows you to simply press a button and the trash bag will be sealed and dispensed, ready for a new one to be used. This means you can go longer between bag changes, saving you time and money. The bin also has a built-in sensor that detects when the bag is full and automatically seals and dispenses a new one. This feature ensures that you never have to worry about overflowing trash or unpleasant odors. One of the best things about the Taunu T1S is that it is completely hands-free, making it a great option for households with kids or pets. It is also very easy to install and maintain, making it a great addition to any home. So if you're looking for a smart and convenient solution to your trash problems, the Taunu T1S Smart Bin is definitely worth checking out. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Smart Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo is a 7-in-1 pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. Imagine being able to cook a variety of dishes with just one appliance, saving you time and space in your kitchen. It also has a smart programmable feature, allowing you to set a cooking time and have your meal ready when you come home. Not only is it practical, but it also makes cooking healthier by preserving nutrients and flavors. Plus, the easy-to-use interface and the stainless steel inner pot make cleaning a breeze. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Smart Cooker is a must-have kitchen appliance for any home cook. It's versatile, efficient, and convenient, making it perfect for busy families or anyone who wants to make delicious, healthy meals quickly and easily. Relax Days Measuring Cup with Scales. The Relax Days Measuring Cup with Scales is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool that makes measuring and weighing ingredients a breeze. The removable measuring cup is perfect for measuring liquids, while the scale allows you to weigh dry ingredients with precision. The scale has a capacity of 1.2 liters, which is more than enough for most kitchen tasks. One of the best features of this measuring cup is the ability to switch between various units of measurement, including grams, ounces, and milliliters. This makes it easy to follow recipes from different countries and cookbooks. The tare function is also very useful, allowing you to weigh multiple ingredients in the same container without having to reset the scale each time. Overall, I highly recommend the Relax Days Measuring Cup with Scales for anyone who wants a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use measuring tool in their kitchen. Chef and Veggie Chop Easy Pull Vegetable Chopper. The Chef and Veggie Chop Easy Pull Vegetable Chopper is a fantastic manual chopper that makes quick work of veggies, nuts, herbs, and more. The easy pull mechanism makes it incredibly simple to chop up ingredients, and the compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen. The white and green design is sleek and modern, and the 14x14x14 cm size makes it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go cooking. The blades are sharp and precise, making it easy to chop ingredients to the desired consistency. The container also has measurement markings on the side, which is a nice touch for those who like to measure their ingredients. Overall, I highly recommend the Chevin Veggie Chop Easy Pull Vegetable Chopper for anyone looking for a manual chopper that is efficient, easy to use, and has a sleek design. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you were entertained. Like and share the video, and subscribe for more technology-based content.